Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. If this is your first time here, you've never seen this beautiful face before, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please take a minute to go through my other videos. I make natural hair videos as well as lifestyle vlogs that I think you'll find very interesting. So please take a minute to check them out and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this gorgeous protective style on my TWA. If you don't know, my hair is really short. So yeah, this style came out really gorgeous. In fact, a lot of people think that this is my natural hair, so I decided to make this video for you guys. If you'd like to see how I create this hairstyle with my natural hair, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and moisturized hair. I'm just going to be making a part from one side of my head to the other side. That's going to be the section in the front that I'm going to be braiding down. I'm also leaving a section in between that just so that hair can cover the clip-ins at the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the back of my hair into some chunky ass cornrows. If you cannot cornrow your hair, I think putting your hair in a simple bun will be fine, or doing some twists or even some flat twists will be okay as well. So after putting my hair in cornrows, as you can see, it's not neat at all. It doesn't have to be. I'm going to go ahead and do the front section of my hair, and I'm using this shine and jam just to make sure I get a really straight part. I don't think my part even came out straight at the end of the day, but I tried my best to make it as straight as possible. So after parting my hair into two sections, you just want to make like a nice part in the middle. I think you can make this a side part as well. I'm just going to be using some of my Eco Styler gel to kind of slick down my hair just so it's really sleek after I do my braid. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of that shine and jam as well, especially to my edges. So here I'm just brushing out my actual edges just so they don't get into the braid and there's no tension on them. And I'm just using my soft bristle brush just to brush my hair together just so everything is really sleek. So to get started with the braid, I'm making a little triangle section in the front there, and I'm going to split it into 3, and then I'm just going to continue braiding my way down. If you do not know how to braid or how to cornrow, then I suggest you watch a video, or you can actually turn this into a flat twist. It will look cute either ways. For the end, I'm just going to be adding some old Marley hair that I had to the ends just so I can use that to put both of the braids into a ponytail at the end. So now that I'm done with this side, I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now I have my 2 braids done. I'm going to go ahead to that middle section I left out, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel to define that section just so it matches really well with these clip-ins. These clip-ins actually match my hair very well. I'm still surprised at how well they look even after having them for about 2 years now. They're from Natural Girl Wigs. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box, but I'm just using that gel to kind of do a wash and go on my own natural hair, because as you guys can see, that's the section that's going to like lay over the clip-ins. So yeah, that's literally all I'm doing right here. So now that my hair is all defined, I'm going to go ahead and start attaching these clip-ins into my head. Now it's very easy to attach clip-ins. You just have to open up the clips and find like a place to kind of put them into and then clip them down. So I'm going to show you guys the back shortly just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But you want to just measure your head and kind of see which clip-in would fit perfectly into which area of your head. So as you can see here, I'm just attaching one clip-in. I just feel for the braids and then I just clip them in and make sure they're really secure. You also don't want to put the clip-ins too close to your scalp just so it isn't too tight and it's not causing too much tension. So I'm just going to go ahead and completely like fill my hair up with the clip-ins and then I'll be back. So now that I'm completely done, because my hair is a lot shorter than these clip-ins, I'm just going to go ahead and twist in some strands of my hair with the actual clip-ins. This just helps to make it blend better, and that way it looks like it's actually your hair. Now I'm just going to take those 2 braids and I'm just going to put them into a ponytail at the back, kind of over the hair in a way. And the back is kind of bumpy, but I had to like try and smooth it down, and I'm still trying my best just to blend my hair in with the clip-ins as well. So I went off camera and I did my edges, and this is what the style is looking like now. I think it came out really cute actually. I love this hairstyle. I'm just going to tie my hair down with a satin scarf and let it set overnight, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So this is the next day, and just taking off my scarf, you can see how well my hair has set. Having to sleep in with these clip-ins was not the easiest, honestly, but they were a little flat, so I just had to fluff them out, kind of shape it up to make it look how I wanted. That back section was really bugging me, so I was trying to get it as flat as possible. But you guys, this is the final look. I'd really love to know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know if you tried this style out. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.